Hey friends, a lot of users have reported the error that their download for Ark Survival Ascended gets stuck at 2% or maybe higher, but I'm just mentioning it 2% because that is a typical one. So, what is this and how do we fix this? So, a lot of users have mentioned that for them it was simply a visual bug. So, the game installed after a while, like if they left it for an hour, it usually gets installed. The installation goes through, but it seems like a visual bug. However, if it doesn't work, then here's what you can do. You can restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. Now, if this doesn't help either, then the last option is to delete all the cache files. So search for the word disk cleanup from the Windows search bar and open the disk cleanup window. Check all of the boxes here, all of the boxes. Click on OK and then click on delete files. And once all of these files have been deleted, it will also include the cache temporary files for the Ark Survival Ascended game. And once this is done, again restart your computer, right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart. And once you restart your computer, you can proceed with the installation from scratch. I hope this was helpful. If not, then please let us know in the comment section of this video. And if yes, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.